How to show file extensions on Windows 11. File extensions are those 3 or 4 letter codes at the end of a file name, like .mp4 or .txt. They tell you what type of file it is. By default, Windows hides these extensions, but showing them can be quite useful. So let's learn how to do it. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Type File Explorer Options on the search bar. Then click on File Explorer Options. In the File Explorer options, go to the View tab. Scroll down and find the option that says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. By default, this option is checked. Uncheck this option to show file extensions. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now let's check it. That's it. You now know how to show file extensions in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-Minute Solution channel for more videos.